I am now.
Oh, I'm Dad. Simple can of Ready Whip, 2 willing kids. Ha 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 ha. Who's first? Who's first? Stick your tongue out. Come on. Stick your tongue out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hang on it. Come on. Show mommy. Here you go, Brad.
Okay, move.
Here. Hey, stick your tongue out. Stick your tongue out. Then move your hands. Open so it goes in your mouth. Tiana, move. I got Brad again. And that's what happens with a can of Ready Whip. Supposed to eat it.
Dad?
I don't know. Use a towel. Let's clean it up.